Good morning. This video lecture explains about modules in Python programming. Module allows you to logically organize the Python code. So grouping related code into a module makes the code easy to use. A module is a file which consists of Python code. So which can define functions, classes and variables and also include runnable code. There are two types of modules, user-defined modules and built-in modules. So before going to use the module, we have to import it. So we can import or invoke a module by using two statements, import statement and from import statement. See one by one. First one is user-defined module. A Python code for module add normally resides in a file named addition.py. So module is add which is present in the file addition.py. So this is the module which is present in addition.py. So if you want to use this module, you have to import. So consider one example. This is the file name support.py. This is another one file. Suppose if this file wants to access this module add, first we have to import the particular file. Import addition. After that we can accessing the module. So next addition.add of 22,33 means which means this is the function call this will call this module and accessing the operation finally produces the result. Next one is from import statement. So the syntax of from import statement is from module name import function name. See one example. Initially we have to create two files addition.py and subt.py. These two files are present in the folder example. So the example folder consists of these two files. Suppose if you want to accessing these two files in from another one file means how to access. See the example support.py. This is the file. This file wants to access these two modules. So first write from the particular folder name example, import these two modules add and sub module. Then we can accessing this add and sub module by the way of addition dot add of the values 9, 2. So these two values are passed here and accessing operations will be performed. Another function is subt dot sub of 5, 2. So the output is 3. Next one is built-in modules. Built-in, normally the word built-in means which is a predefined one, already available one. So the Python have many built-in modules such as random, math, OS, date like that. So first one is random module. This module is used to generate random numbers by using randint function. So this rand function we can generate the random numbers. So if you want to use this module, initially we have to import it. Import random. Then random dot randint of 0, 5 means in between 0 to 5 any one random number will be generated. Like answer is 1. Next random of no one value is present inside. So this means the value is up to 1. So the answer is 0.6. After that, if you consist of some set of list means we can choose from the list. Any one value, choose from that. So my data consists of some set of values. We can access by using random dot choice of my data. So choice of my data means we can choose any one of the value from this set. So answer is 4.82. Next one is math module. Math means mathematical. So mathematical operations. So this module provides to access the mathematical constants and functions. So initially import the math, then say math.pi, that is pi value. Answer is 3.14. Next, math.sine of 0. Sine of 0 value is 0. Cos of 1 value is 1. Tan of 0 value is 0. Square root of 49 is 7. So these are the mathematical functions which are already present available in the Python module. So we can access by using this function math or this module math. Right. Next one is date and time module. So to display the current date and time, we can use this module, date and time. See the example, date time dot now of. So current date and time will be displayed. Next one is calendar module, to display the calendar. So by the use of calendar module, we can display the calendar. Calendar dot month of 2021 comma 6. So in the year of 2021, 6th month, June month calendar will be displayed. So that's all about the modules. So these are the possible questions may be asked in this topic. Thank you.